Hey guys, JP here with Breathe Massage and Fitness in Littleton, Colorado. And today I wanted to show you guys how to foam roll the chest. Chest is a very tight area for most of us, right? Most of the days we're reaching forward, whether we're driving, we're changing the channel with the clicker, our phones, typing, whatever it may be. Chest is getting engaged anytime we reach forward. So it's really, really important that we stretch and massage this area as well. So I wanted to show you guys how to foam roll, okay? You can do this on the ground if you need a little bit more pressure, but usually leaning into a wall is just fine. So what you wanna do is just get up on the wall and about right in the middle of the chest there, you can lean into it and just up and down, up and down. You kind of rotate a little, get into the sides, You can also do it from the sternum, right in the middle, okay? And just lean into that and just hit one pec at a time, okay? And that is how we foam roll the pecs. Thanks so much for watching.